To increase touch sensitivity on an Android phone and improve screen response, follow these simple steps carefully. Go to the settings menu by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon, or by finding settings in the app drawer. Next, scroll through the menu and select display, usually marked with a sun or brightness icon depending on your device model. Then scroll down to find the touch sensitivity option and turn on the toggle switch to enable higher screen responsiveness. This feature helps your phone detect touch input more accurately, especially when using a screen protector or thick glass cover. Finally, test your screen by swiping and tapping different apps to ensure smoother and faster touch performance. We hope this guide helps you get smoother and more responsive touch experience today now.